Welcome to the Professional Certification Program for Advanced Excel with VBA and AI. This program will guide you from being an Excel user to becoming an AI-powered automation expert. Training is instructor-led, offering both online and offline flexibility, along with 24/7 access to the BIT LMS. More than 90% of teams worldwide still rely on Excel for critical tasks. Excel, when combined with VBA and AI, supercharges your workflow. Tools like Copilot and ChatGPT help instantly write complex formulas, generate insights, and forecast trends. VBA and Power Query enable extreme automation, eliminating hours of repetitive manual work. The program duration is 3 to 4 months, offering flexible scheduling with instructor-led sessions available online and offline. You'll have 24/7 access to BIT LMS resources, including recordings and quizzes. Choose between the Excel Analyst track or the recommended Excel Automation track, which covers Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 1 is the core foundation, focusing on advanced Excel with AI integration. It includes 8 comprehensive modules, covering interface and productivity, advanced formulas, data management, and pivot analysis. The second half of Phase 1 addresses charts and dashboards, Power Query (ETL), Power Pivot and Data Model, and AI integration. Phase 2 focuses on VBA programming and automation mastery. This is specific to the Excel automation track and consists of 7 modules plus a capstone. Topics range from Intro to VBA, Programming Basics and the Excel Object Model, to Advanced Procedures, User Forms, and AI plus VBA integration. The capstone project involves building a portfolio-ready system. This program builds mastery across industry-standard tools and key professional skills. You will become proficient in Microsoft Excel, Power Query and Pivot, VBA automation, and AI integration using tools like Copilot and ChatGPT. Key professional skills covered include analysis, visualization, process automation, AI strategy, and professional best practices. You will complete 5 major industry projects to build a professional portfolio. These include creating an interactive sales dashboard and an automated MIS system. Additionally, you will work on an HR salary automation system, an inventory management tool, and an AI-powered assistant. Project deliverables include cleaned datasets, working files, and a documentation PDF. This is a 14-week zero-to-hero learning pathway. It starts with the foundation phase, moves to analyst and modeler roles, and advances to automator skills. The pathway culminates in the advanced AI augmented phase. Certification involves weekly quizzes, mini projects, a capstone project, and a mock interview. Excel experts are in high demand across multiple sectors. This program prepares you for target roles like MIS executive, data analyst, financial analyst, and ops analyst. Industries actively hiring for these skills include banking and finance, IT and consulting, logistics and supply, and e-commerce, among others. The program offers excellent financial growth potential in India. Annual salary trends show a competitive outlook, particularly for professionals with VBA automation and AI skills. With these enhanced skills, you can typically command 20 to 30% higher salaries than traditional Excel users. There is also significant freelance potential for side income, with rates ranging from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per report. Compare BIT's comprehensive training model to other learning options. Unlike generic MOOCs and short crash courses, the BIT program offers instructor-led training, 24/7 support, 5 major projects, expert guidance, and dedicated placement support, all with a valuable IIT Patna add-on. The BIT Advantage provides a comprehensive ecosystem for professional transformation. Key features include 24/7 LMS access, expert mentorship, and flexibility with online and offline learning. You will gain real-world project experience, be placement-ready with career support, and join a supportive lifetime professional community. Our structured 8-step placement pathway guides you from skill building to your first offer. Phase 1 focuses on preparation, including enrollment, skill foundation, capstone projects, and resume building. Phase 2 concentrates on placement, covering mock interviews, job shortlisting, interviews, and post-placement offer and onboard support. Elevate your profile with an IIT Patna certification from the Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. This provides premier recognition and a portfolio boost. It validates your practical skills for top employers and grants innovation access, ensuring your skills meet rigorous industry standards. Our graduates share real stories of career transformation, Students have transitioned from a BCom background to an MIS executive role, and from customer support to a reporting analyst. This program facilitates upward mobility, such as a traditional accountant becoming a financial analyst, showcasing skill mastery and career success. These case studies show how our graduates solve real business problems. Examples include a sales region dashboard, reducing report generation time by 90%. Payroll automation achieved 100% accuracy, eliminating errors. An inventory control tool led to a 25% cost reduction by optimizing stock levels. Master data, automation, and AI by enrolling today. Choose between the Excel Analyst track or the Excel Automation track, which is the most popular choice. New batches open every month, with online and offline options available.